Hello YouTube, as promised, we finally have a quasi-sunny day. As a matter of fact, my glasses are fogging up. It's rained all morning, but stopped, and I've actually got my son as the cameraman. He's going to be behind me one side or the other filming, and I'm going to be shooting the Mech-Tech CCU upper with the Glock 19 lower. And then when I run this dry, I'll transition to my Glock 19 on my hip. Oh, and those are the bad guys. I forgot to charge the handle, but that's okay. That's what makes live TV all the better. Once again. Spinner. I can't hit that one. And that was a good one to end on. Obviously, I'm doing okay with the Mech-Tech. I need to work on the Glock 19. That's about it. I'll see if my son wants to try it, and I'll run the camera for him. Thanks for watching.